Jesus wore cheap clothes, and he's the most influential person of all time. 2.2 billion followers. That's like more followers than Rice Gum and James Charles combined. Plus, remember when he got canceled, right? He came back harder than ever in like 3 days. And he didn't even have to make an apology video. He wore cheap clothes, he's still an influencer, and he still looked great. In the name of the Father, the Son, Raph Simmons, 3 signs of the cross, 3 ways to look good in cheap clothes.
Jesus Christ!
I love you, God. But real quick, before we even start, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who showed support on the launch of Respect Women capsule number 2. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. And at the end of the day, I'm just glad that a lot of you guys were able to like it just as much as me. But while we were wrapping everything up at the warehouse, I did find a couple extra pieces. So I put those up for sale online. So there are a couple units left. But once this batch sells out, I'm never restocking this. So this is your last chance to grab your piece of the capsule. The link is in the description. I love you guys. So starting off with number 1, less is more. Lucky for you, fashion is big on the whole less is more thing. Less is more directly translates to I'm broke, but that's okay. So instead of having cheap clothes that do too much, why don't you just buy cheap clothes that do all right for themselves, you know? Simple crap like black hoodies or big shirts can have the same look, expensive or not. You don't need a bunch of layers and tones or designs to have a sick wardrobe. A bunch of high-end exotic pieces are dope, don't get me wrong, but it costs a lot and is definitely not necessary. But even for clothes, working smarter is better than working harder. I'll give you a perfect example. Elon Musk and Belle Delphine are the same person. Okay, you're gonna have to hear me out on this. Both of them are entrepreneurs, both of them love anime, and both of them are adored by the gamer boys. Even though they are the same person, there's one minor difference that not a lot of people really notice, and that is that Belle Delphine puts way less effort. Elon Musk, genius, absolute madman. He's trying hard, he's changing the world, he's innovating. Belle Delphine sells water. Still making a living. How does this analogy compare to cheap clothes? Well, your fits don't have to be complicated and expensive and effort-filled to look good. Going simple and cheap is easier and sometimes better when you don't have the biggest wallet. Less is more, and keeping cheap clothes simple will do more for you than compensating with low-quality stuff. Don't overthink it. When it's cheap clothes, just roll with the essentials. Next up is pairing. I'm talking about the composition of your fits. Especially with cheaper alternatives, you should be caring about how your pieces work together. Like a simple t-shirt, a button down, and basic pants, they look fine by themselves. But when you team them up together and layer them properly, they can look great. As opposed to one expensive t-shirt that will be okay all the time. It's all about the power in numbers. Like I'll give another example that just won't be a big waste of time. So, like if I had to fight one-on-one with a 7th grader, it's not even fair. 7th graders are what, like yay high? First off, I'm going high knee to the face. Instant win, no problem. But if you're talking like a group of like 3rd graders, totally different story. Like the first couple, obviously getting smacked. But once they start surrounding me and overwhelming me, I only have 2 hands. It's not looking good for your boy. So like I said, it's all about the power numbers. How things work and look together will go further in your wardrobe than how things look individually. You need that teamwork. When going cheap, even though the pieces are individually cheap, together and paired well, anything can look great. Lastly is sizing. Fitment is key in fashion, and if you can manipulate something to fit you properly, the way you want it to, you can wear anything. Like I do this a lot. I'll just find old t-shirts but in like a double XL. So it's like a whatever shirt if it fits normally, but as soon as I thick it up with that double XL, vitamins. Same goes for pants. Like these cheap H&M pants with a bit of a croppity crop. Is that Rick Owens? Is that Rick Owens? It's not really Rick Owens. But if you close your eyes, it's still not Rick Owens. But if you close your eyes, nothing is real. But yeah, it's all in the way things fit. I'd say a lot of people throw this under the rug, but it's definitely something you should pick up on. Fitment is something that you don't have to pay as much for as opposed to branding, so definitely take that into consideration when picking out some pieces. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and hopefully this helped you with your broke butt. Follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. And make sure you make the most out of the last chance to go cop the second Respect Women capsule. Never going to be restocking these ever, so this is definitely the last time you're going to see it out there. I love this one a lot, so hopefully you do too. And I got into a fight and someone punched me in the throat, which is why I sound like this. Or I caught a cold. I don't know.